thought it was a good experience. You see the dimensions of the lake while rowing it, especially in these conditions. It was a very nice experience. I think very sustainable. The Dutch like to be on the water. If they are staying here, it will certainly be an activity that they'll be doing. The biggest challenge is getting the message across, because we have only limited space in the brochures, and we work with intermediaries, the travel agencies. So we have to get the message first to them, and they have to get the message to our customers. So that will be difficult.
It's a very good experience, and just getting to hear Austrian views on how things are running, and also to have the Austrians hear from visitors our opinion and how they're presenting themselves, which will help us to promote the country and to try and increase business hopefully in the future. Sustainability is a buzzword. Everybody greenwashes their brochures at the moment. We do hiking tours, so we've been probably sustainable since 1946. When we started working. There's a lot of companies that do this routinely. There's a couple that are trying perhaps a little bit too hard. Generally, I think that this area is probably, for our sort of thing, terrific. It's got beautiful landscapes, great facilities, and great access to some beautiful mountains to walk in and to explore and to discover the great outdoors. Austria we know well, and Brits have been coming here for a long time. Carinthians tend to be a bit forgotten, I think, certainly in terms of the summer business. But I don't think it should be. This is quite a wonderful place.